So to recap, as you wrap up your journey through C# programming fundamentals, it's essential to consider the various career paths available to you as a C# developer. The programming landscape is vast, and C# is a versatile language that opens doors to numerous opportunities. In this lesson, we will explore the different roles, skills required, and potential career trajectories for aspiring C# developers. Now we're on 1. Software developer. A common entry point for C# developers is the role of a software developer. In this position, you will be responsible for designing, writing, and maintaining software applications. C# is widely used in developing desktop applications, web applications, and game development. To excel as a software developer, you should focus on the following skills. First, understanding of OOP, familiarity with object-oriented programming concepts such as inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. Also, frameworks, proficiency in .NET Framework and .NET Core for building applications. Finally, version control, experience with tools like Git for code management. 2. Web developer. Let's dig in. Web development is another popular field where C# developers can thrive. C# is commonly used in conjunction with ASP.NET to create dynamic web applications. In this role, you'll work on both the front end and back end of web applications. Key skills for a web developer include: first, HTML/CSS/JavaScript, a solid understanding of front-end technologies. Also, ASP.NET, proficiency in using ASP.NET MVC or ASP.NET Core for server-side development. Finally, database management, knowledge of SQL and database systems such as SQL Server. Next, 3. Game developer. C# is also a popular choice for game development, particularly with Unity, one of the leading game development platforms. As a game developer, you will use C# to create scripts that control game behavior and mechanics. Essential skills for a game developer include: first, Unity Engine, familiarity with Unity's interface and features. Also, game theory, understanding the principles of game design and mechanics. Finally, graphics programming, basic knowledge of 2D and 3D graphics concepts. This section covers 4. Mobile app developer. The demand for mobile applications is on the rise, and C# can be used to develop apps for both Android and iOS using Xamarin. As a mobile app developer, you will create applications that provide users with a seamless experience on their devices. To succeed in this field, focus on: first, Xamarin, proficiency in using Xamarin. Forms for cross-platform mobile app development. Also, user experience, understanding the principles of mobile UI/UX design. Finally, APIs, experience with RESTful APIs for back-end communication. 5. Data scientist. Let's dig in. While not as common, C# can also be used in data science, particularly in environments where .NET is prevalent. As a data scientist, you will analyze complex data sets to help organizations make informed decisions. Skills to develop include: first, data analysis, proficiency in libraries such as ML.NET for machine learning tasks. Also, data visualization, ability to create visual representations of data using tools like Power BI. Finally, statistical analysis, understanding of statistical methods and algorithms. In this lesson, we explored various career paths for C# developers, including software developer, web developer, game developer, mobile app developer, and data scientist. Each path has its unique requirements and skill sets, allowing you to choose a direction that aligns with your interests and goals. Now put what you've learned into practice. To solidify your understanding of potential career paths, consider the following exercises. First, research a job listing for a software developer and list the required skills and qualifications. Also, build a simple web application using ASP.NET and document your learning process. Also, create a basic game prototype in Unity using C#. Also, develop a mobile app using Xamarin and share it with peers for feedback. Finally, explore a dataset and perform basic analysis using C# and ML.NET. Here's the idea. By engaging with these exercises, you will gain practical insights into the various roles available and start to build the skills necessary for your chosen path. Take your time, the details are on the slide.